Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to review this WYBOT pool vacuum. So let's dive in. So initially, this thing has worked pretty well for us. We like it. It's pretty heavy duty and girthy, as you can see right here. I like it because, again, it's definitely going to get the job done, and it is a strong pool vacuum. And one of the easy things, all you have to do is just charge this up. You got this little port up here. All you do is just unscrew that, plug that in. Once you plug it in, it is ready to roll. After you've charged it for a while, it has a little battery and little light indicator here on the back, and that is going to indicate and let you know when this is ready to go. But all you're going to do now is press this on button right here. You just press this, and you see the light on the back turn on. When it's blue, it's ready to roll. Then all you're going to do is just put this in the pool. Then once you put it into the water, it will take a few seconds to acclimate, and it will begin and it will sink all the way to the bottom of the pool. As you can see here, it is beginning to fill up with water, and the blue light means it is still good to go, ready to roll. And once it settles all the way at the bottom here, it takes about 10 to 20 seconds, and then you'll see a large air bubble, and this thing will start going. As you can see, it's already moving and is getting ready to go, and what it's doing is actually getting all of the propulsion ready, and it will start immediately. And as you can see, this thing does go all the way up the walls. As you can tell, mine, it is going and doing all of its options. It's really cool because it does go over all these little creases that I have in my above ground pool, and it'll also go on the walls as well. So this thing will cover your entire pool pretty easily, and it will last up to 120 to 150 minutes, which that is an extremely long time for a pool vacuum, and super nice if you've ever had one, because having a pool is a lot of work, and these are great because you can just put this in there, forget it, and you expect this thing can get to every little debris and all this kind of stuff in your pool. It can also clean the sides of your pool as well, which is really nice, so that way you don't have to get to it or clean it or worry about it. But as you can tell, my pool is pretty dirty and even a little thick because of all the rain we've had. So this is nice being able to put this in and help get it all clean. But like I mentioned, it does run all through your pool. It does different patterns and has different ways that it will clean and make sure that it covers the entire thing. And like I mentioned, it does go to all of the parts of your pool. It goes to the bottom and the sides, even on these above ground pools, but it also will do that same thing on just regular in-ground pools as well. And so this has been a really good thing for us. As you can see, it works really hard. It has been going a long time, and the run time is very long as well, which is really nice. Another thing is it takes about 3 hours for this thing to fully charge, which is pretty on par for most of these larger pool vacuums. I know that does take a pretty good while, and it is a long time, but it is nice because it will run up to 150 minutes, which is super easy and convenient. I also saw it running on the sidewall in my pool as well, so that's kind of a unique feature. I've never seen one being able to run on the sidewall like this, kind of all the way running sideways on this, which is kind of cool if you think about it, because that would help if you have any algae. That way it will actually be able to get it pumped up and get it moving into your pump, so that way you can clear it out and clean it out as well. So that's also another added bonus for this. But then once your pool vacuum is done and it's sitting on the side, all you're going to have to do is grab your little hook, and it comes with this in the bag. You might have to get a little retractor there for it, but it comes with a hook, and you can stick it on that pole, and you'll just bring this thing up. The only negative part about this is that it is kind of heavy, so I would see people being able to struggle a little bit with this, but the water definitely does help when you're pulling this out. But once you're able to get this out of the pool and get it somewhere, it is super easy to see all that it collected in its time in the pool. All you have to do is open up the front right here, then you'll pull out the filter, and this again is super easy to change. You can see it even grabbed a pool sinky, so that is a pretty strong suction cup there. But you'll open this up right here. This is just a little filter, and it has multiple options. It has the large filter. It also has the small filter in it as well. You just pour out everything, and you can see that it had all different types of leaf litter and all different types of other things right here as well. So a lot of different stuff came out in this pool vacuum, all these different options right here. So there's so many different options if you're looking for a vacuum that's going to get large items as well as small items, this is definitely one I highly recommend you check out. Then all you're going to have to do is grab a garden hose and you can just rinse out this filter. Again, like you can see right there, there was all different types of grime, a lot of different leaves and other debris and stuff like that, and also some small particles with sand and other things like that that our filter had not gotten out of the pool. So this is a great addition for this. You can actually grab this and you're able to get all different types of items out of here. Make sure it's clean. Once you've got it all clean, you can set it back in there, lock it back in, and now you're ready to charge it for your next use. And then all you have to do is just sweep away all this debris and you are good to go. So here is the Amazon listing just so you guys can see it. We have, the device right here. We also have the ultra strong suction, and we even talk about the different types of cleanings, which is super nice. It even does the walls like I was showing you guys, and then an easy way to just take the filter out and clean it right there. You just unload this and take it out just like I showed you. And then like we talked about, the 3-hour charge, which is pretty nice. Also, it has the price right now at $399.99, which is really good. So you can grab that early, or that good price going on right now. But overall, I think this is a great option for any type of robotic vacuum. It is large and it also is heavy duty. It's nice that it will go up the walls and clean that as well. And I do think I like the long running time. That's a really nice added bonus feature. And then also, like I mentioned, it has the large box, so it's not going to get super full. So it's going to be able to fill itself up with debris and cleaning everything, run a long time, be able to go on the sides. I think this is definitely a great option. Again, it is a little on the pricey side, but if this is something you need for your pool, I definitely recommend you check this one out. I will have a link in the description where you can grab one of these on Amazon. Also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out some of my other pool vacuum videos right here, and I will see you over there.